Hi, and welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to be unboxing the Power Air Fryer. Okay, today we have the Power Air Fryer XL, which I swore would never ever enter my house. But my husband won it in a raffle, so we didn't have to pay anything for it, which was the right price. I immediately told him to take it to the Goodwill because there was no way I was going to fry food in any type of fryer. And he said, but hun, you can also do vegetables in this too. So I said, well, put it in the back room and let me think about it. Well, a few months passed and I was still ready to donate it to the Goodwill because I wasn't going to eat any fried food. And then I happened upon a YouTube video of a lady frying food without any oil at all in an air fryer. And that really piqued my interest, and she said everything's really good. So I thought, well, since I didn't pay anything for it, let's unbox it and give it a try. So here we are. And it's, oh, I see. You got to do the middle one, which I didn't think was one, and then that one. You have to be smarter than the box, which doesn't bode well. Okay, on top we have an important notice about my rights and a quick start guide and America's #1 favorite fried food recipes revealed. Here's something, a piece of metal. It's probably important. Now for the air fryer. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's all one part. Let's see if I can get down. Well, that might be helpful. And you got your power cord. And here we go. It looks like its power cord is attached to it. I know some air fryers, the power cord you can detach it. And let's see the insides here. Oh, we got tape. The other side, I'm assuming, yep. And there we go. Here's the inside of the air fryer. That's what it looks like. It looks like this has a non-stick coating. And I believe this part is supposed to come out somehow. I don't want to force it out. I don't know. There's probably a button or something I'm supposed to press. I'll have to read the instructions. Usually this can be washed in the dishwasher, from what I understand, but it's very easy. They say if food gets stuck on in here, just sit it in the sink with some water overnight, and by the next morning all you have to do is take a sponge and it's clean. So it's not a big deal. The inside looks like the heating unit is up top. Here is the control panel, which will look a little bit nicer if we take the protective film off. That doesn't need to be there anymore. So that's all there is to it, folks. It's time to plug it in and give it a whirl. Our first meal in the air fryer is going to be French fries. And from what I was told, if you want them really extra crispy, make sure you put them in a single layer. So I cut some potatoes, the russet potatoes. I cut 2. With my Breville food processor using the French fry blade. That worked out pretty well. They're pretty thin, so we'll have to see. Maybe the next time I'll have to do it the old-fashioned way with a knife. And there's a lot more French fries. We're not going to be able to do just one layer. And this is only 2 potatoes, and they weren't really huge potatoes. So we're just going to give it a whirl. The instructions say you can fill up the pan and it will work just fine. Okay, that's it. Now into the air fryer, which is already plugged in, and we push the start button, and we're going to go up. Actually, no, I'm going to go down so that I remember to shake them. And temperature, we're going to go 400 and then start. So in about 9-10 minutes, it's going to alert me to shake them around so that the ones on the bottom can get a little put on the top and become a little crispier. What am I doing? There. Ooh, yeah. Look at those. I think they might be edible. Thank you for joining me today for the unboxing of the Power Air Fryer XL. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. And remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.